In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a slide-out content panel using the software. Okay, so what you do is enter the full URL of the page you want to appear in the slide-out. So any page you want, it should be a page that is on your own domain or a page you own. You shouldn't be really bringing in other people's pages, but it does give you a chance to sell space on your site. So you could sell access to your slide out to people if you want to advertise, or if you want to sell advertising, they may want to advertise in the slide out. And I'll show what it looks like when we're done here. Okay, so let's put a site in here. Now, if the site has a frame breaker, then it's not going to work. So you can't frame things like Google or Yahoo; they won't work. Of course, that would defeat the purpose. You want to have either your own site or a site that you're advertising in here. You could have something like your contact us page, your help desk, or whatever you want in here, terms of service, etc. Okay, so we'll put this in here, whatever URL you want. And then here I'm going to put the featured item, I'm going to call it. You can put whatever text makes sense here. So if it was terms of service or whatever, that's what you'd put here. As you see down here, example, contact us, whatever you want. I got featured item, click next. The background color for the slide out panel, light yellow. You can use a hex color as well, or a word color, for instance, white or whatever you want there. The border around the panel, I can leave it as white. The height of the window, usually you're going to want it 100%, so whatever the size your browser window is, it'll fill the whole thing when it's opened. Let's generate, and we're going to save it to our computer. Okay, so I have a folder called slide here. We'll save it there. Okay, now it opened two windows for us, instructions, and it opened another window with our files in it. Okay, so all we have to do is follow the instructions. So upload all the generated files except for the code file to the same location as your website. And then we just copy the code below where we want the link to show. I'm going to put it on this website, and I'm going to have my featured product over here, or featured item, whatever I said there. Okay, so what we need to do is open up FileZilla and then go to where this website is uploaded. This is a WordPress blog. You could do it with WordPress or just a regular site. It doesn't matter. It all works the same way. So let's open FileZilla. Okay, so I connected to my site on the right side here. I just type in my host name, which is my domain name, username, and password for my hosting account. Navigate to where my site is. In this case, it's a subdirectory called Discount Store. On this side, I need to go where I generated the files. So let's upload. Okay, and now we can close this. Okay, now that that's all uploaded, all we have to do is copy the code below where we want the link to appear. So grab this, do a copy. Now let's go over to our site again. And let's go to widgets, because I want to show it over in the right panel here. Just pull a text widget up here. You can also put it in line. Wherever you place this code is where the link will show. So it's up to you. I'm just going to paste that in there and save. Now let's go visit the site. Okay, and then you see here it says featured item. That was the text we put in there. We click on that, and there it is. This is our featured item URL, and you'll see that it rolls. And here, you click on that, and it closes. So that's it. That's how you use the software to create a slide out sidebar.